everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today's video is again going to be a comparison one because I'm in a spree and I am doing this comparison. I am in a comparison phase where I'm comparing each and every product I have possible. So now guys, I have three types of eyeliners and these are very popular in the market. So without any further ado, let's get into the video and see what I am talking about. For beginners, this is going to be a very helpful video because in this video I am going to tell the difference among these three things, that is loose pigment, not loose pigment, I would say loose neon pigment, water activated liner, and of course colorful eyeliner. And I am also going to tell you from which brand you can buy if you are planning to buy. So what are neon pigments? So you can see these are pigments. Pigment means that you are having it. Loose pigment means that it is in the form of loose powder, and that is what loose pigments are known as. Why we use loose pigment? Because loose pigment are very pigmented, like this one. Can you see this? This is from Tycee Cosmetics. I have three shades, but right now I'm going to show you two shades. So this is orange and this one is green. Can you see? This looks super duper vibrant on screen. I'm also going to give you a swatch and also going to tell you how to use it. Now these are loose pigments, as I have told you. So you have to mix it with water. If you want to make it a liner, you can use them as a liner, use them as eyeshadow, use them in so many different ways. So I highly recommend loose pigment for someone. If you are starting out, if you are a beginner, you can definitely use it. And these are so inexpensive, guys. I think these were for 150, and if you buy a set, these were very cheap, and these are very high quality. They are cruelty free as well, so you definitely might want to check this one out. And my favorite has to be the pigments. Yes, I know it is a little bit difficult to work with loose pigments. You have to have a command over your eyeshadows, but why I would recommend it, first of all, you are getting a lot of pigment. You don't have to buy a separate palette for just one color, which I have seen these days people are doing. They are just buying a palette for this one color. So you can get one color if you wanted. You can use this as a liner, as an eyeshadow overall color, or also as inner corner highlight. They will look bomb degree.com. Now coming to the second type of eyeliner, which are water activated eyeliners. Now these eyeliners, if you know, Suva Beauty have these particular eyeliner, and in India, by the way, all of these are made in India. So this is by Debashri Beauty. This is her water activated liner. I don't know what it is called. They call it Define. And can you see, this is in solid form, so that means this is a solid form. Again, these are pigments which have been made in a solid form, and you can dip your brush in water and start using it. Again, this can be used as your graphic liner, and I do not recommend using this as an eyeshadow, because you can see you can just use this as a graphic liner. And these are again water activated. Right now you can see this is dry, but as and when you dip your brush in water and use this will give you phenomenal command. Now, will I recommend this? I would recommend this to beginners, but guys, these are very costly in India. These were for $8.99. I mean, do you want to pay $8.99 or do you want to pay just rupees 150? So I won't recommend this. Again, very high maintenance, I would say, because this is now coming out, so not very happy with the packaging, and I really don't like this one that much as I like the other two things. Now again, this is made in India, vegan and cruelty free. So that is what I was telling you. Now if this is your favorite, don't come at me, because I don't like it. Ever since I have started using loose pigment, I think that's my jam. And one more product which I'm going to talk about are these colorful liners. These are so pretty. This is by Cuffs and Lashes. This is by Nidhi Katiyar, and oh my god, what has she done, guys? I mean, this has to be my favorite thing from her brand. Has to be these ColourPop eyeliners. And can you see the tip of it? This is super duper easy to work with, and this is so pigmented. Now again, I would say that this is not as pigmented as the neon pigments, because those are pure pigments. This is in the form of eyeliners, so very good for beginner. Both, like, these both are beginner friendly, but this is just for 250 rupees. So I would definitely ask the beginners to invest in this. This is your jam. But only one thing, you can only use this as eyeliner, not as eyeshadow. Yes, you can smudge it, but then if you smudge it, the longevity and the pigmentation will lower down. So that is about it. I hope you understand difference between these three. Now I have told you my favorite has to be the pigments. I know it is very difficult to work with pigments, but once you get hang of it now, you are going to love it. Second, I will tell you to go and buy these eyeliners. They are bomb. Lastly, I won't recommend the Debashri Define. I don't like it that much, and I think I haven't reviewed it as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye.